Ele não sabe bem, tá bom.
Hello, students. Very good evening. My name is Simranjit Singh. I will be your trainer for your upcoming session for molecular biology and biochemistry techniques. And thank you, Edufabrica, for providing us such a great opportunity to teach students and have interactive sessions with them. I can see a lot of crowd there. So I think it's together for the 7th October till 16th October and 23rd of October till I don't know which October. So it's a 10 days workshop, and so myself, Simranjit Singh again, whosoever joined us. So reason to join you all with this to just to let you know how I will be taking classes. So most of the classes will be going on the YouTube like this way. You can, if you have any questions or anything, any problem while with my speaking or with the video buffering or anything, you can type in the chat and I will respond to you back in return. And yeah, so that's something. So everyone is able to see me and hear voice. If yes, please click yes. And very warm good evening to everyone. You're all awesome students. And so our journey starts today with a little bit of introductory class today. Okay. Um, Voice is little low. Okay. Let me check. Okay, I will try to speak louder. Because at the moment it's just introductory class, so I don't have too much speak. So I will try when the classes started. I will be louder for sure. I will make sure that. Moreover, let it be 5 o'clock. Then we start with what we have to teach to you and what are the things that you will learn from these sessions. Okay, good. And how is the buffering? Like everything is clear so far? Can you able to let's say read this? So I'm sharing my whole screen with you. So that's how we will go with the workshop. So we will have a lot of presentations, a lot of videos, a lot of virtual labs. So mainly these workshops will be based on three things: a lot of videos, a lot of presentations, and a lot of animations, plus virtual labs. That's the aim is for us. So I will make sure each day is a lot of you learn a lot from them, and you take something good out of it. That will be the aim of the workshop. Okay, that's great. That's the first task of our workshop that I was looking for. Yeah, I know there's a disturbance. That's because of my fan. But normally, I, let me just. So videos will be at 480p at the moment, but these will be all recorded and you will get them. So I'm trying to increase my bandwidth. So maybe so 11th to 12th, maybe from 10th of October, it will be in HD. But at the moment, you have to compromise with this thing. Sorry for that. So let more people add. Let more people add by 5 p.m. Then I will clear your concept with your all questions. So students, first of all, what you do is please subscribe to the channel. So whenever I'm online, you will get an email or you get a message on your YouTube that we are online for your classes. That will be very beneficial for me and beneficial for you, for both of us. That whenever we are online, that you get to know. So please click on the subscribe button, and that will make sure that whenever I'm online with this YouTube channel, so you will be there also. So most of your classes are from 5 p.m., right? From 5 to 7:30. So there will be two classes, MBBT 7th to 16th, MBBT 25th to 3rd of November. Both will be from 5 to 7:30 p.m. Okay. So I am not sure which group is which at the moment. I will talk to about them to Vatsal sir. But so I arranged for both of the groups, for 7th to 16th group and 25th to 3rd of November, so that we are all on the same panel. So yeah, today the class that we are taking is mainly for the 7th of October. So mainly the introduction is for them. So few seconds more, then we start. So students, let's start. It's 5 p.m. So basically, my name is Simranjit Singh. So I will be your trainer for your upcoming sessions for MBBT, from which will be start from 7th of October, and it will be mainly done in English. And your questions. So we will be going with the sessions like this way, via YouTube streaming. So you will, I can answer your questions from the right side, and you can ask anything. And your top session will be clear from here. And moreover, our sessions will be done with the help of presentations. uh, animations, some videos, and some virtual labs. So basically, we deal with the four parts in each class. I try to bring it all more interactive if possible. So basically, sorry, this will be your. I will share this on the day of your starting of your workshop. So this will be your 10 days of 30 hours training program. So you can see that there is basics on the day one. We will done with the basically the basics of your MBBT. Then we go for the cell culture technique, microscopy. Then we go for basics molecular biology and technology, part one and part two, divided into two parts. Then protein quantification, separation and purifications. Then separation of molecules by electrophoresis, blotting technique, facts analysis, bioinformatics and computational biology, and application of recombinant technology and application of molecular biotechnology. So these 10-day sessions will be done in this way. So mostly I try to cover your biochemistry part also, molecular biology part also, bioinformatics also, its applications, protein part also, the basic part of your MBBT. So all will be done like this. And how I will conduct your workshop? Mainly I will deal, I had 10 days divided like this. So each day I will handle your workshop via presentations, via PPT. So this will be one, let's say one example where I will be teaching you basics of molecular biology. So I will teach you via these presentation techniques. So like this, we will go more about them. So today, no teaching, nothing, no hard hurdles. So just clearing your doubts and making things clear. So I hope this much is clear. Oh, sorry, sorry. Oops, I have to make this small guy. It happens sometimes. So I will repeat. Uh, so this is your 10 days workshop. Like in the first day, we deal with the basics of principle of MBBT, cell culture techniques, microscopy, molecular biology techniques, recombinant technology, part one, part two, protein quantification, separation, purification, separation of molecules by electrophoresis, blotting technique, facts analysis, bioinformatics. I will try to improvise more into them, like bring more things. So each day, like first day, we are dealing with the basic principle of MBBT. So I will be teaching you these kind of presentations. So I have these presentations with me for each day. So we will go through them in each day. So presentations will be going like this. And there will be some virtual labs that I also have for you that we will discuss later. And I can see some questions about internships here. So mainly the internship will be done uh, proteomics. Yes, but proteomics and molecular biology techniques, they are both separate thing. Somehow some students are added automatically into the MBBT group by mistake. So please, if you are proteomics, don't get added to the MBBT group. Try to be added to the proteomics group. So this is mainly for the MBBT group, not for the proteomics. And proteomics classes will be also from the 7th of October, but that will be in the evening from 7. Or let me check the timings. It will be from 8 to 10:30, from 8 p.m. onwards. Okay. But if you have been there, it's okay. It's no worries. There's no harm in it. So about internship, we will be dealing with review paper. A review, you have to write a review during these 10 days. I will provide you the topics or you can choose by your own during the during this part. and I will tell you about more details about how to write review, what should be the pattern, and how you can publish that also. The publishing is more important thing while doing so. So that will be about your internship. So mainly, bacha, you have to write a review in that case internship. So I will tell you in more details when we start from the first day how you have to write reviews, how you have to write your. And one more thing, also have to write one assignment that I will also share more into details when we're starting. So in the assignment part, which is not compulsory, but if you are good, that you can send me on my email address later after the day is over, workshop is over, just write a 2-page workshop, 2-page review or 2-page summary of what you have learned from the workshop, so that when you are done with the workshop, you have some data with you. And I will, of course, whatever the presentations I will be sharing with you, I will share with you also after the workshop is over via WhatsApp group, so that you can have the reading material with you. Yeah, I will also share some exciting ebooks related to MBBT book. So at the end of the workshop, so that you can have it with you too. Yes, all the today all the batches are here actually all together. So in some cases, if some I have seen many students got ill due to COVID. Some students have exams. Some students were having NEET exams or all these things. So we can take those excuses, but your internship letter will be late then afterwards, so that will be a problem. So review could be done in the group also. Five, maximum 6 to 7 people, that's it. 6 to 7 people can write a review together and send it to us, and go for some free journal to publish. Go there and submit it there, try to search for your own field and go for it. It could be done then. So don't get panic. Don't write so many questions. So what we have to do? What? Oh, there are so many things to do. Uh, yes, but you will be provided with both training certificate and internship letter at the end. So don't get panic or something. So today was just an introductory day for all of you, so that you can understand how things will be done, how workshops will be done, how the presentations will be going on, how I will play the video. So something like if I have a presentation. So in between the presentations, I will play for each presentation, each technique that you have learned, some presentations like this.
Other forms of chromatography. In ion chromatography, there is a mobile phase, which generally consists of buffer solution. And there is a stationary phase which consists of a matrix that contains charged ionizable functional groups. This type of chromatography is subdivided into an anion.
So that was some an example. Like we will play some videos also, some presentations also, and also to learn each part to be more interactive, so that we can able to understand each thing in depth. That's the main idea is. So in the meantime, I try my best to answer people's questions, students' questions, but sometimes I'm not able to answer. Sorry for that. But I can share my email ID here. So mostly I am not able to answer because there are so many students on each group. I'm taking so many presentations. I have also a morning shift work also. So it's very hard for me to reply each student sometimes. So please excuse me if I'm not able to reply you your personal WhatsApp message. But yes, I will try to reply you most of the questions on this YouTube channel where I think it's needed. So yeah, that's I will try my best. So I will share each video and each presentation when the is over, when our workshop is over. So I will share each part with you so that you have all material with you when you're done with the series, with the workshop. So that's the main motive of this workshop also, that you can have all the things at the end. So Bacha classes will be held on this YouTube platform. So after the class is over, as you can see today also, you can check it back. So it will be available for you also. So they are online as a YouTube streaming. So I already shared the link. So in the shared link, um, so these links are available forever. These links. So you can check them anytime whenever you are going through it. So any questions? So don't get panic about review and anything about assignments. So we will clear them with you. Something about me also, or I share with you on the same day. Let's keep it secret. Who am I? What are my education qualifications? Where I studied from? And that's don't matter much. So forget it. Yes, yes, you can watch all these videos later also. You can see that today's session will be there online available as an intro molecular biology biochemistry part. Yeah, any questions, students? That's it. My reason to take this class was because when I start the classes, a lot of people have questions like how we do it, how things will be done. So I just thought few days before I make this introductory class so that we can start with a good force, with the positive vibes and happy energy. That's all we need in this tough time. Yes, you can write a review individually also. That's also possible. Yes, you can watch them later also if you missed them. That's the beauty of YouTube. But your query classes will be done on this platform only, on the YouTube. No, it's not compulsory to write in a group, but I would suggest if you write in a group, it's a good thing. You can learn more about how things work in a group, and that's it. For GN Khalsa college student, the session was for 15 days and it's for 2 hours each day. Okay, I will please talk to Vatsal sir about this. So far, I will deal with the 10-day session. Moreover, they will be mostly by 2 hours or less than or 1.5 hours. So it depends how things are on that. If things are heavy, it could go more than 2 hours. If things are lighter, they could go for 1.5 hours. So it depends how things will be on that day. So groups you can form by yourself. Just write in the group. Like if you think you can write it on your own one thing, and you need some people ask some help, or somebody is writing it. So ask them that if you could be part of the if you could part of the review. So don't worry. From today itself, we will start from the 7th of October, and we start with this thing. From 7th of October, I will provide the topics, or you can choose your own also. You can choose on your own also, but basically there should be something related to the molecular biology techniques, because on your letter, so we will provide that you did that internship and you write a review with the MBBT workshop, so it should be somehow related to that. So that's the main motive of the review. So timings will be from 5 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Every evening. Same place, same time, same YouTube. Everything will be same like this. Okay. And please subscribe to the channel so that whenever I'm online you can check it on the YouTube. So it gives you notification that classes has been started. So this also motivates me to keep my YouTube channel started and keep me motivated for more good work for all of you. So someone who has done two classes, for them, first will be the MBBT, then will be the proteomics. So there will be some break in between. so that we can have it things later also. But yeah, we have a collaboration with the IIT, as in, and myself, Simranjit Singh, I did my BTech in biotechnology, and then MSc I did from Germany, and my PhD is also from Germany in molecular medicine. Uh, I've already shared Bache up. Yeah, in 10 days it's not possible, I agree. But I will provide you 15 days, maybe half a month. It should not be so big. It's just a practice for the newcomers who have never written a review and to write something good, and something good could come put out after it. But yeah, but if you send us later, the internship letter will be late then. You get letter later after you send your review. Only then we provide you the letter. It will be individual. Internship letter will be individuals, not in a group. Yeah. So okay. Uh, I will say see off now. I will see you from 7th of October, 5 p.m. Same place, same time, with lot of more energy, good vibes, and good things. Then, yeah. Then take care. Bye bye. Stay safe. Don't move outside so much. Keep your hands clean. Keep your mouth covered, and have 2 times bath or something like that to get rid of the germs. So please, please, please keep smiling and enjoy your life. Yeah. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye. It will be okay.